We all know how important reviews and testimonials are. And at this point, hopefully, we all recognize the power of video, especially in the age of AI that we're in right now, where there's questionable content being put out on the internet. So if you're a business owner, quite frankly, if you've ever bought anything online, I'm sure you've checked reviews, you've wanted reviews, and even more, you've wanted video reviews. Today, I'm going to show you an easy way to collect them that makes it so simple for your clients or your users. My name's Catherine Ferris, and I am the founder and operator behind Marketecs. We consult in marketing technology and marketing automation. We also have a platform called Marketecs Engine, which is built on the GoHighLevel framework, but includes all of our templates and all of our best practices. And that's what I want to show you today, is how to collect video testimonials using GoHighLevel, or in my case, Marketecs Engine. So let's dive in and take a look. Here we are inside of Marketecs Engine. And as I said, this is based on the GoHighLevel platform. So if you're already using GoHighLevel or GoHighLevel, this will apply to you as well. Now over here on the left-hand side of the menu, I am on Reputation. And then on the submenu across the top, I am in this new area for video testimonials. Now, this is relatively new. I waited until a little bit of the kinks were worked out, and now I'm sharing it with all of our users, as well as, again, anyone that uses GoHighLevel. You can see here when you first get in, you will have an onboarding guide. You will have these 4 steps that they recommend that you walk through in order to start collecting video testimonials. The first one is to create a video collector. Then we're going to actually send a request and get a video testimonial, and I'm going to show you what all of that looks like. The biggest piece is this video collector for getting started. With the video collectors, you can actually have multiple, and that's what I'm going to show you here, is that if you have different services or lines of service or even different niches that you want to ask different questions, you can actually build that out here. So let's take a look at this video collector process. And I'm actually going to open my demo. You can, like I said, just click here to start from new, or if you go to video collectors, you can create a collector here. You can see all of it there. So we're going to open this demo piece. I'm going to review and edit details. The other nice piece about these is you can open them in another tab. You can copy the link to email to someone once it's built. You can view your responses right there. But you can also clone these, which I personally did, and we'll talk more about that too. All right, so when you're in the video collector, you are a little bit limited on editing this, which is both good and bad. For high-end web designers, you might want a little more control around this widget. You might want to put things in the places you want, change the font size. Those things are limited right now. However, for those people that just want to put the text in and start collecting video testimonials, the good news is that's what this is set up for. This is set up for quick. If you look here, we have the welcome page, questions, attribution, thank you, and then we do have some logo and color features. You can see exactly where everything shows up in this preview. We'd love to hear from you. Shows up at the top. So you can put anything you want there. You know, give us your video. You can put any text that you want there. But it is where that text shows up. This is the size. This is the font type. Those things aren't changeable right now. You can enable a spokesperson picture if you want to put a picture in here, and I just put our logo in for an example. You can put your company name and maybe an email address, or you could put your personal name. Maybe you want to put your personal, and they're recommending that this actually is a spokesperson. So if you put your actual headshot here, and then you would put your name and title and maybe your contact information. Now, why record actually shows up here at the bottom. So just note that sort of the why record and welcome are almost a little swapped here at the moment. But you can put in whatever you want them to understand about why they should record a message. And really, I think your thoughts on a quick video, that's almost the thing that stands out a little bit more. I might capitalize on that spot just a little bit more there. So those are the pieces. You can't change the let's go message. That is what it is at the moment. But the nice thing about this is actually you can make multiple questions. Every question you build out here will collect a separate video clip. So just know that. If you want one person to submit one long video, you might actually want to make this question more robust and actually say, please explain this, this, and this. You could actually put in like 1, 2, and 3, although it isn't going to format it exactly like you might want. You'll have to write it more as a paragraph. But you could put in whatever you want for a question here, and you could have just the one single question. And that way, there's only 2 steps. They record their video, and then they give you permission to use it. But if you want different video clips to use across social media in order to keep them short, in order to really focus your people on exactly what they're saying in each individual clip, I really love the fact that you can do that with multiple questions. And I'll actually show you my example that we're going to use for our own business. So then, as I said, the next step is the attribution page here. You do want to collect permission to use their name and their video. Now, right now it says name and email. I know for me personally, as a service-based business, I also want their title. If they're an attorney, I want that actually there. So here in this little message up at the top, I'm actually putting also include your title or business name if you would like us to use that in your attribution. Then you have just a nice little thank you message. Now, if you're giving any perks to asking people to do a video testimonial, and I'm not talking about gating testimonials, it doesn't matter if they gave you a good testimonial or a bad testimonial. If you're offering a discount or free shipping or some sort of perk for these testimonials, this would be a great place to put, say, a coupon code or some way that they can claim that perk. And then we do have the colors and logos section that you can also add here. So if you enable your logo, it's actually going to put it up at the top here, and it's really designed for more of an icon. So if you don't have an icon that you really love for your business, you might just want to disable that. And then I chose some really bright colors so you could see where they showed up here. You can see that the secondary text is these locations, and then the accent colors is these items here. And so I know we're looking a little Christmassy here, Christmas in July, I guess, but that is just so that you could see. I did not really make any changes that I want to save, so I'm just going to click OK. And I'm going to show you really quick the one that I'm actually planning on using for our business and how it differs. So you can see here that I did stick with we'd love to hear about your experience. I did use the spokesperson section to put in my image, name, and title. I also, under the why record, I put a little bit more description there. And under the welcome message, I made it a little bit longer around why you might want to record a message for us. In the questions section, I did break this into 3 questions, looking to collect the problem, the solution, and then finally the recommendation. And so this is, why did you decide to work with us? What was your experience like? And then, would you recommend us? And you'll notice on this little preview, they can record right in screen, or they can actually upload a recording if they prefer to do it from a different device or a different platform. And then on the attributions page, as I mentioned, I just said to include your title or any business name that you would like us to make public. The thank you page is pretty straightforward. It does include the information from the spokesperson section on the welcome page. And then my logos and colors are basically just on brand. I'm interrupting this video to make sure that there is no confusion about HighLevel or about how to work with me. If you want to try HighLevel but don't want to waste months trying to figure it out, I have 2 very clear options for you to consider. If you're looking to build an agency or a SaaS business, head over to marketecs.com/HighLevel. By using our affiliate link, which costs you nothing, you will get the following bonuses. Our Marketecs Engine Core Snapshot. This is all of the features that we install in every new Marketecs Engine user account, and we're giving it to you for free as an affiliate. Our onboarding guides and access to our private community. An invitation to join our weekly live office hours, where I personally will answer questions and even share tips that I've learned throughout the week. And I'm constantly learning. There is so many new features and things to learn in this industry as a whole, not to mention within the HighLevel platform. Plus, we'll give you our additional templates, checklists, and migration guide. That's option number 1. Option 2 is if you are a business owner just looking to improve your own tech stack and you don't want to do it alone. You would like a trusted strategic partner in your corner that speaks the language, brings you time-tested automations, proven strategies, and up-to-date learning. Then go to marketexengine.com and book a consultation with me to learn more about our high-level agency, Marketecs Engine, and joining our ecosystem. I'm also currently offering discounts on one-on-one consulting to any of our affiliates and high-level users. So whether you're building an agency or building a business, pick your path and let's drive results. Now, back to your regularly scheduled programming. So that's the actual one that we're using and actually what it looks like. So we created our video collector. And then once you've done that, you're ready to actually collect video testimonials. And there's a couple ways you can do that. You will notice when you, again, hover over these, you can copy a link and you could just send this via Outlook or whatever email you use. You could also use this send review request option. And here you can actually select any contact already in your system. You could put in an address manually, and then you would select email. And if you have a default message, it would show up here. If not, you can edit this. You can do whatever you need to at that point. You see all the settings here visible. You could also do it through SMS if you chose. Most everything I do is through email. And then this send review request button would show up and be an option. All right, so those are two ways you can do it. There's also a way within automations to automatically send review requests. And we have an entire other video all about the reputation management section here in HighLevel. So I'll link to that up above and you can go dig into that a little bit deeper. I go over all of the tabs across the top. This is just an update for video testimonials today because I believe they're so important. All right, I want to show you what it looks like. Let's go ahead and open this in a new tab so that you can see what this actually looks like when it shows up, when somebody gets this link. And you'll see here that this is on desktop, so it shows up on two sides. If it was on mobile, it would be stacked. And then when I click Let's Go, you have this option, tell us about your experience. And I can either record or upload. And I'm going to do just a quick recording to show you what the experience looks like. And you can see that it looks very much like a Google meeting. I'm going to click record. It gives me a little countdown. And now I can record my testimonial and it will be saved directly into the system. And we'll go take a look at how that looks too. I'm going to click stop. It's going to process for a minute here. Then I have to confirm my upload and it takes me to the next question. Just to proceed rather quickly, I am going to do this with a essentially non-video. It will process this one as well. I will confirm upload again, and now I have to put in my information. Okay, so I put in my information, I clicked submit, and then I get to this all done, thank you, and that's as easy as it is. For most clients, they will be able to do that with no problem at all, and they can do it on their desktop or on their phone. This is extremely valuable in the world of video testimonials because this is what has been the barrier. The barrier has been people figuring out, well, how do I send you that video? I have to record it and then I have to email it to you. I have to send it to you somehow. We just removed all of those problems. They don't even have to think about it. They just have to click a couple buttons and hit submit. Now let's go back into the system and I'm just going to refresh and we're going to see where those show up in the system here as you're looking for them. Now you can see that I have 4 video testimonials in this demo because this is what I've been playing with. And so they're going to show up in your specific video collectors here. They're also going to show up in all of your responses down the bottom. And in addition, you can go look at your video collectors here, or you can look at your responses here. Now for me, because I do want to ask the multiple questions, and there's some other things I would like to do with these videos, downloading these was important. And if you go to the video details, you have the option to download these videos, which made me very happy. You can also play them. You can see them all about here, and you can see where it says what the actual question was, so you don't have to guess. You're not wondering, just in case they sort of went off the rails a little bit. In addition to being able to download these, put these on your website and manipulate and use them however you want to without changing the video, of course, because that's the power of the video testimonial, is that we now know it's authentic. The authenticity of videos is what makes them so powerful. So now that we can utilize these, another option is actually building a widget. And if we go back to our overview tab, you'll notice that create a video widget is the next thing on our onboarding here. What you see here, and it brought me over to widgets is I now can do a video testimonial widget. Now, in this case, it is going to bring each video in separately. So this is where you may decide that you only want to ask that one question so that each person has one video in here and you're very specific and very targeted. But this is what it will look like if you ask multiple questions. You'll see the same person's video over and over. You may want to pick and choose how you use this for your business, and if you go the multiple question route, you may want to download them and use them as you choose. If you go one question, then this widget will actually work very nicely. There are different layouts that you can choose. You can choose the particular source that you want to make your widget out of. And then once you have built this and customized it to how you want, and you'll see here, you can look at it on mobile versus desktop, you get the code right here where you can actually put this into any website. This is an iframe JavaScript code, and as videos are added to it, they will automatically update because this is a live widget. So, very excited about that feature as well. We can now easily collect testimonials and then easily put them on our website, and it stays up to date as they come in. All right, there you have it. There is the easiest way to collect video testimonials for your business and then display them anywhere that you need to. Download them, use them on social, put them on your website, even create a live widget. I hope you found this useful. If you're not already using GoHighLevel, definitely check the description below because GoHighLevel is so much more than just reputation management. It is a full CRM. It is all of your sales funnels. It's all of your email marketing, even your social media scheduling. So if you have any questions, there's also a consultation link down below, and I would love to chat with you. Also, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone that you think needs more video testimonials for their business. Thanks.